Y'all, it's me, Nita, from Nita's Home and Lifestyle TV, bringing y'all another fall home video. And y'all already know what it's about. You read the title. So I don't want to waste your time. I just want to go ahead and get into this video. Let's do it. So guys, before I start my fall decorating here in my living room, I'm going to do some cleaning. I am going to clean all of my glass surfaces, all of my mirrored surfaces, all of the hard tops, such as the tops on the console table and the credenza, and also the little side table that's in between the accent chairs. I'm going to wipe down the lamps and do a little vacuuming. The floor is pretty clean. I'm not gonna do any mopping in here, so I'm gonna do that cleaning, and then following that we'll jump right into decorating. Thank y'all so much for watching, always tuning in. I want to say an extra special thank you to my subscribers who is always constantly coming back and supporting my channel. I cannot thank you guys enough. I really appreciate it. If you have not yet subscribed though, but you are watching, you keep coming back, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. That way I can keep bringing you guys some content and getting better and better as you guys continue to watch and watch. So thank you guys. I love you. Let's go ahead and finish this up. And so here guys, I'm just going to do a little vacuuming. I'm just going to get underneath the furniture and behind the sofa. And if you look at the artwork there on the wall, guys, that is the artwork that I've had on the wall in my previous videos. The artwork came from Amazon. I think I paid about $300 and something for the artwork. However, I did a DIY on it. I painted over the entire canvas and bought in that burnt orange color to the canvas to match the decor that I'll be styling with in the living room. I thought I was absolutely crazy for doing that. I painted over a practically brand new piece of wall art. But anyway, I had already kind of DIY'd the original piece. I added more glitter to it, and I added some gray and white on the original piece anyways. But honestly, I wasn't quite in love with the piece, so I just painted over it. But I was really surprised that I did that. And I'll leave a link in my description box where you can find the original piece for that artwork if you're interested. Or if you haven't seen it in my previous videos, you'll be able to see what it originally looked like. And guys, I want to let you know something about my decorating style. I am not a symmetrical person when it comes to like decorating a table or a console table or credenza. My pieces doesn't necessarily have to be symmetrical on either end of the table. However, I do like balance, but the pieces doesn't necessarily have to match on both ends. And I like that style for me because I think it keeps the interesting to the eye. When you're looking at a credenza and you look at one side, most of the time you expect to see the same decor on the other side to give it that symmetrical look. But I go for the opposite. I don't want both sides to match. However, again, like I said, I do want them to balance each other out. And to balance them out, you don't necessarily need the same pieces on both sides. And so I just think it keeps the decor a little more interesting. And so if you notice that in my designs or in my styles or in my decorating, it has been done intentionally. If you have gotten this far in this video and you still watching, you loyal. I got to give it to you. You're loyal to your girl. Mwah. Thank you. Come on, let's finish this video.
Bitter driving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, maybe just a better kind of bitter.
So guys, we've made it to the end of the video, and once again I want to say thank you so much for always tuning in. I thank you guys so much and can't thank you enough. I really appreciate you guys. To my subscribers, you know how I feel about you. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so by hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. And I want to give a special shout out to my friend, my YouTube sister, who has helped me tremendously over here on my YouTube channel. I couldn't do it without you. I wouldn't even have the push to do this without you. So to my girl, Home Decor, DIY, and more with Tangy Webb, baby, you know I love you, girl. And it's nothing else I can say but thank you. I really appreciate you. So guys, until the next time, I want you guys to stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.